to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to mix a velvet fabric with a net lace fabric. This particular dress I'm talking about is the combination of an half cut and a flake. The sleeve on it is a long sleeve, but the neck is of another dimension. The neck I'm talking about, it has both V-neck and one neck. So let's go to the cutting section and see what I'm going to cut out. Thank you. Welcome to the cutting section. So now you can see the two fabrics I'm using. This is a net fabric and a velvet fabric. So now the first thing I'm going to do now is to cut the upper part with this velvet fabric first. So keeping this aside. So now this is the lining that I'm going to use at the down part here. You can see it's an upper lining. This is the upper lining. So I'm keeping this aside. Then I'm starting with the upper part first, the velvet. So now I'm going to fold this into 4 places. So now this is 16 inches. You can see for the half cut. This is 16 inches. So now I'm going to fold this into 4, leaving the zip allowance aside. This is into 2. You can see this is into 2, then into 4. So there is my zip allowance of 1.5 inches. The zip allowance is of 1.5 inches. You can see it. So the measurement for this particular style, the full length is 57 inches. The full length. So deducting 16 inches from the full length, so I'm going to make the remaining length. So this is 16 inches for the half cut. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to deduct the shoulder, the armhole, then the bust and the waist. The shoulder here, I'm using shoulder 15 into 4, that's 7.5. That's 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5. The armhole will be 7.5 as well. The bust, I'm using bust 44 inches, and the waist is going to be 36 inches. So now I'm going to start with the measurement. Then the first thing I'm going to do is to measure the shoulder. This is 7.5 inches, like this. 7.5 inches. Then the armhole is 7.5 inches for the armhole too. Then the full length, the length is 16 inches for the half cut. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure the bust. Like I said earlier, I said the bust is 44 inches. That's 11 inches into 4. Give us 44 inches. So like this. So with the same allowance of 2 inches, which is the same thing as sewing allowance. So this is it. So the next thing here is to measure the waist. Like I said earlier, I said the waist is 36 inches. So 36 inches divided by 4 give us 9 inches. Yes, this is 9 inches with the same allowance of 2 inches. This is the same allowance of 2. So I'm going to sketch it out now to the bust, from the bust to the shoulder. You can see it. You can see this is the shoulder, this is the armhole, this is the bust, and this is the waist. So the next thing now is to cut it out. So you can see it. So the neck this time is not a normal neck. You can see it, as you can see it on the picture. The neck, I'm going to cut it out for you now. This is the next thing to do now is to cut out the neck. But at this junction, as you can see it on the picture, the back neck is high while the front neck is a little bit low. So it depends on you. You can try to make it low, the V part of the neck. You can try to make it low or make it normal. So it depends on you. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to sketch the neck out. So the wideness of the neck that I need here for the back and the front, the wideness of the neck is 3, yeah. determine the deepness of the neck. So like I said earlier, I said the deepness of the neck. I'm going to make the deepness of the neck 7 inches for the deepness. You can see where the 7 inches is for the deepness of the neck, 7 inches. Then you're going to make a V from that 7 inches up to, at least you make it up to 4 inches. Yeah, this is our 4 inches like this. This is 7 inches, and you are going to make the V up to this 4 inches. You can see where 4 inches is. So now I'm starting the V from here. I'm sketching it. All what you're going to do here is like an X. So when you get here, you make an X like this. Normally the chalk is the fabric, so like this you make an X. You can see from here you make an X like this. It's an X like this. Then you come back to the wideness of the 3 inches. You can see it's like this. Then you come back to 3 inches. So then you cannot cut it out. So mind you, we are not cutting it to the back. The back is high while the front is low. You can see here, from here to here, this is the main 3 inches. But now, if you do it this way to this 3 inches, it's not going to work. That's why I deduct this ½ inch. It's an ½ inches from it. So it's from here, like this. It's curved this way and it's curved back like this. So now when I cut it out, you're going to see what I'm talking about, like this. That's it. The next thing to do now is to cut the back neck. So you are starting from here, then you cut. I told you it's not too low at the back. You can see just 1½ inches. So then I'm going to cut it out. So this is the back. So now I'm using this material for the down part. Now I'm going to fold it into 4 like a triangle flake. So now this is into 2. Now I'm going to make it into 4 now like a triangle flake. So now this is into 4 like a triangle flake. You can see it. You can see it's like a triangle. So now I'm going to take the full measurement. I'm going to start the measurement from here. So I'm searching for where I can see the 36 waist. So this is 34. This is 36. Let me see. So from here I'm going to take a measurement of 10 inches. Maybe it can give me 36 inches. So like this. I'm going to increase it to 11 inches. 11 inches. 11 inches there. So maybe it can give me 36 inches. So yeah, this is 9 inches. So it can give me 36 inches. I'm starting my measurement from here. So it's a flake. So measuring 36 inches exactly is going to give me the zip allowance as well. So no need of increasing it. It's a flake. So by the time you open it, you measure it, it will be more than 36 inches. So you can use that one to make the zip allowance. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take the 16 inches up here to measure the full length, which is 57 inches. This is 16 inches. Then I'm going to make it down to the full length here. The full length here is 57 inches. This is 57 inches for the full length. So 16 again, 57 inches. Again, 57 inches. So you can see it. So here again, 57 inches. So you can see it. So I'm going to make a seam allowance of ½ inch for the taping, ½ inch for the taping, ½ inch here too for the taping, and here too ½ inch for the taping. So now I'm going to cut it. This is the half cut now, and this is the sleeve. You can see the sleeve, and this is the down part. This is the lining that I'm going to put at the down part here, so I can try to cut it like a flare or a straight. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. This is the velvet fabric, and this is the net fabric. You can see. You can see the way it is. And this is the neck that was cutting out that time, which is different from the V or one neck. You can see this is the combination of both round and V neck. You can see it. You can see how beautiful the dress is. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.